channel. Is your girl Tamaka. So today is Thursday, that means party is weekend, so I'm about to do a makeup routine Thursday night video. So this is my Thursday night routine video. It's an easy makeup. It's my first ever makeup on my channel. I wanted to try because a lot of you guys were asking me makeup video and that. I'm not a fucking makeup artist, so please, if you have any advice for me, just let me know. So obviously subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and shit like that. So let's get in the video. Aspetta, c'è la sigla adesso.
Letto mare!
Presto mi voglio! So I will do my eyes right now, and I will start with my concealer. Is Pro Concealer $3.99 concealer. You guys know I'll put everything in the description box. After that, I'm using the Revolution makeup palette, and I'm using the color, the pink one, and I'm going to apply it. Look at that. You guys have to make sure to blend the color perfectly to your eyes. Yeah, and you do the same. Okay, pink, and you blend it. Blend it like you're blending your life away, you know what I'm saying? Oh wow. I can't go out like this. I can actually go out like this. So after this, I'm going to apply foundation. It's a new foundation, I want to try it. It's the L'Oreal True Match. I posted it on Instagram and a lot of girls were like, that is a really nice foundation. And the color of the foundation, I will write it down below. So it's my first time ever trying it. Oh wow. Wow. That look brown as fuck though. So let's, bruh. Okay. Okay. This is it's really brown. The color was matching my, like, I don't know, it's really brown. Make me darker. But I like the fact that it blends really easily. You know what I mean? You can blend it easily on your face, which I like. So after the foundation, I don't want to apply a lot of foundation because it's just a Thursday night, like I say. I'll go and apply my Toffee concealer because I want to highlight as well. So the most important part of this makeup is to blend it. You have to blend the concealer. If you don't fucking blend the concealer, just stay home, don't go nowhere. You know what I mean? So let's start blending it. Please, can I have the spray? Setting spray. I have people helping me as well, you know what I mean? The white one, please. Yes, please.
Hello guys, welcome to my
Hello guys! You have people helping me. Why are you hating? Are you mad? Anyway, I normally do this while blending my concealer because it helps the concealer blend properly. After that, I want to use this new Moi setting powder. It's a new product I bought. Was it Savers? Superdrug. It's the new Moi makeup setting powder. I want to try it with you guys. So I don't actually know if it's nice as a setting powder. So let's try it together. So I leave my powder for quite a while because more the powder is on, more I think will set all your face up. So while I'm waiting for the powder to set my face, I'm going to highlight.
Contour. You're going to contour. Why you keep saying highlight? Bitch, it's contour. You're going to contour and highlight at the same time.
The L'Oreal stick. I bought the darkest color that was in the shop. And I'm gonna use this brush. I bought it from Primark for £1. Like, so I'm gonna just and to blend it, I use my sponge. I think the sponge is the most important thing that you must have when you're doing your makeup, because you can use it for everything. You know what I mean? I think it's time to remove the banana powder from my face. After that, I use my MAC powder to set my face, my whole face. You always have to have a MAC powder on your motherfucking makeup thing, you know, because this will set your life. You know what I mean? Use my powder and set my face. We black girls, you know, we have to put some pink it in our face, you know what I mean? So I normally use my my blush palette from Revolution. I bought this. Was it Savers? No, what's the name of the shop again? Jessica! Superdrugs, bro. So I bought that. You're annoying as fuck, you know.
Bitch, you are annoying as fuck. You have to stop chatting
like,
that little girl, you know what I mean?
That's why she's not helping.
Like, stop it.
Video,
Stop
you know
it.
I mean? You should help. After that, I highlight my face. Babes, you can't go out with a highlight in your face. Like, sometimes I just put highlight on my face. I don't even put makeup. So it's a must. Can you see the bling bling on the camera? Can you see the bling bling? Eh? Oh my god! Oh my god! Orgasm. Guys, I'm going to contour my nose because obviously you can't go nowhere without contouring your nose, you know what I mean? Okay. Oh my god, bitch! You contour your nose, you know what I mean? And after that, use the highlight. How you declare your nose? You see that? You guys see that? Bruh. Okay. Wow. This is too much. after this, normally what I do is eyeliner. Eyeliner is the most difficult thing ever for me. Like, I'm not able to do it properly, so please don't judge me. You know what I mean? So I think it's done. Am I forgetting anything? My lips. The devil is a liar. I must do my lips, isn't it? So what do I use on my lips? Pencil. Brown pencil. After that, I use a lip gloss. You can find it £1 in any shop. Bangladesh shop, Indian shop, Nigerian shop, Italian shop, white shop, any shop. You can find it.
So basically, Jennifer's makeup is £5.
I spent £5 on this makeup, guys. Like, can you imagine? And I'm paying still. You know what I mean?
Man, I got paintings in the London town. Paintings in the London. Man, I got Batman in the London town.
I didn't finish, bro.
Okay.
Don't talk to me now. You know what I'm saying? Now it's finished. Sposti la parrucca avanti. Okay. Who is this girl?
Man, I got in the London town. Paintings in the London. Man, I got Batman in the London. Batman in the. Man, I got paintings in the London town. Paintings in the London. Man, I got Chama channel ready to shut it down.
Subscribe the motherfucking page,
Ready
bro.
to shut it
What
down.
are you talking about?
Hey.
What are you talking about? 5 minutes makeup, bro. What are you talking about? Who are
Affordable
you?
makeup, bro. What are you talking about?
Who are you? Oh. Sorry. Setting spray. You spray, you set. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. Subscribe, like, comment what do you think and whatever. And see you next time.